I got a front and the rear parking assist module here. This is second-handed, by the way. But yes, still doing the same thing as the original one plug-in. So I believe that each front sensor have their own languages. So this is for the, I think it was the front left. This is for the front left inner. This is for the front right inner. Also front right. Outer. I unplugged the front left inner parking sensor. So that's the waveform I got so far. But in order to remove the front sensor, basically this grill is sandwiched between the head of the sensor and these two parts. So in order to you have to unscrew this, and then you can unplug these parts, then or any job. Show you. So yeah, the sensor will comes out front to the front, comes out front. Yes. There you go. It's a car number. Beautiful. Parking sensors unplugged, it will sounds like this. So perhaps I'm assuming if we unplug one of the sensors, it will sound similarly, and if we apply another one, it will be sounds differently, slightly differently. So that indicates might be give us some idea which sensors have been, like say, open circuit. But the thing so odd to me is front left inner sensors. No matter what you unplug or unplug, it still sounds the same. So I will show you. Right, I'm holding the front left inner sensor, parking sensor. Now it's here, and so of course, so I'll show you the beeping sound. All right, one more time. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this. And this sensor, by looking at it, you probably can see a little bit kind of got damaged and the service the sensor.